Welcome to my channel, Easy Learning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Today's topic is pollution. What is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful materials into the environment. These harmful materials are called pollutants. Pollutants can be natural, such as volcanic ash. They can also be created by human activity, such as trash or runoff produced by factories. Pollutants damage the quality of air, water, and land. Major types of pollutions are air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, and light pollution. We are going to talk about these now. Air pollution. Air pollution is a mixture of solid particles and gases in the air. Effects. Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, respiratory diseases. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brain, kidneys, liver, and other organs. Some scientists suspect air pollutants cause birth defects. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when harmful substances contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, or other body of water, degrading water quality and rendering it toxic to humans or the environment. Effects. Some of the waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, paratyphoid fever, dysentery, jaundice, and malaria may spread faster. Chemicals in the water also have negative effects on our health. Soil pollution. Soil pollution as part of land degradation is caused by the presence of human-made chemicals or other alteration in the natural soil environment. It is typically caused by industrial activity, agricultural chemicals, or improper disposal of waste. Effects. Soil pollution can also cause neuromuscular blockage as well as depression of the central nervous system, headaches, nausea, fatigue, eye irritation, and skin rash. Soil does not need to be highly contaminated to be harmful to humans. Noise pollution. Noise pollution can be defined as any disturbing or unwanted noise that interferes or harms humans or wildlife. Effects. Exposure to loud noise can cause high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbances, and stress. These health problems can affect all age groups, especially children. Light pollution. Light pollution refers to excessive brightness that causes visual discomfort. Effects. Too much light pollution has consequences. It washes out starlight in night sky. It interferes with astronomical research. It disrupts ecosystem. It may lead to problems like increased headaches, stress, obesity due to lack of sleep, and anxiety. Precautions. Prevention is better than cure. To stop air pollution, reduce the number of trips you take in your car. Reduce the use of wood stove. Avoid burning leaves, trash, and other materials. Avoid using gas-powered lawn. To stop water pollution, do not pour fat from cooking or any type of fat, oil, or grease down the sink. Avoid using toilet as a waste basket. Do not dispose chemicals or cleaning agents down the sink or toilet. Do not flush pills, liquids, or powder medications down the toilet. To stop soil pollution, reduce the use of plastics. Industrial pollutants should be limited. Avoid using pesticides. To stop noise pollution, honking in public places and near hospitals, schools, etc. should be avoided. In hospitals, industries, etc., adequate soundproof system should be installed. Sound of musical instruments should be controlled to desirable limits. Dense tree cover is useful as trees prevent noise pollution, so plant more trees. To stop light pollution, turn off the lights when not in use. Tell your relatives about the consequences of light pollution. Use dim light at night. Do you know? Firecrackers are the most polluting material which causes all types of pollution, that is air, water, soil, noise and light. So this Diwali, try to not use crackers or use it in a limited quantity. Crackers are not the symbol, so light diyas and have a safe Diwali. Happy Diwali! Thank you.